The morning sun rises over the horizon, casting a golden glow on my face as I sit down to enjoy a much needed breakfast. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the delicious smell of toasted bagels and creamy cheese fills the air, enticing me to indulge in the delicacies before me. As I take a bite of the warm, buttery bagel, I feel a sense of relief and gratitude for the restful night's sleep that has energized me for the day ahead. For months, I have been caught up in the mundane routine of daily life. Loading the dishwasher, doing laundry, sorting through mail, and so on and so forth, all the while neglecting my own well being. But today is different. Today, I am embarking on a journey to explore the great outdoors, to immerse myself in nature's beauty, and find some much needed clarity and peace. As I finish my breakfast, I gaze out of the window and am met with the breathtaking view of lush green and majestic mountains in the distance. The sight fills me with a sense of awe and wonder, and I can't wait to begin my adventure. Stepping out in the crisp morning air, I take a deep breath, feeling the cool breeze on my face. I set off on my walk, my feet crunching on the gravel path that leads into the wood. As I walk, my mind begins to wander, and a flood of thoughts and emotions swell around me like a whirlwind. Memories of the past, dreams of the future, hopes, fears, they all vie for my attention, demanding to be heard. But this time I don't ignore them. Instead, I let them wash over me like waves crashing on a shore. I listen to them, acknowledge them, and let them go. For it is in the midst of mental chaos that I find clarity and peace. By giving my thoughts the attention they deserve, I am able to process them and make sense of them. I am able to come up to terms with the past, embrace the present, and envision the future. As I continue my walk, I realize that neglecting my own well being is not the solution. It only prolongs the pain and prevents me from moving forward. But by taking time for myself, I can over my challenges and grow stronger in the process. So let's take a walk together and embrace all that life has to offer, the good, the bad, and the ugly. For it is in the midst of the chaos that we find our true selves and discover what we are truly capable of.